All right, boys and girls, so we are going to continue talking all about choices today. And remember, when you make a choice, you make a decision. Do I do this or do I do that? And it's completely up to you what you do. Some choices have good consequences and some have bad consequences. Now, sometimes we sometimes all make sad choices, and that's okay. But we can turn it around and make a good choice. When we make a good choice, what kind of choice is that? A smart and happy choice. And what happens if you make a good choice? Right, like at school, you might go to the treasure box, or you might get a reward, you might get some ice cream. Whatever you work for, you can get that consequence, right? So we always try to make smart choices. But Miss Walashik wants to write this message and have you answer it. Does that sound good? All right, so here's your message before we talk about it. Ready? Listen. What smart choices do you make? Can you say that? Perfect. Let's pat it. Ready? What smart choices do you make? Count it. Ready? Go. How many words? Perfect. Let's see. What smart choices do you make? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Now before we answer, let's go ahead and write it, okay? So look, what? What's the first sound you hear in what? What, the letter W. What? Smart. What is the first sound you hear in smart? The letter S. What smart choices? What's the first sound you hear in choices? Ch, ch, ch. Two letters say ch. That's C-H. What smart choices do? What's the first sound you hear in do? D, 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 the letter D. You make. What's the first sound you hear in make? The letter M. Good job. And when we say, what smart choices do you make? Do I put a question mark or a period? Well, let's see. Am I asking you something or telling you something? I'm asking what smart choices do you make? So I'm going to put a question mark. Very good. Let's go ahead and read it. Ready? Ready and read. What smart choices do you make? Your turn. Let me hear you read. Ready? Good job. Now tell me, boys and girls, what is a smart choice? Like what, when Miss Walasha says smart, what does smart mean? Right, very good. It's a thoughtful choice, right? We have to use our brains to make a smart choice. So I want to know, what smart choices do you make? I'll tell you, what smart choice do I make? I make a smart choice when I wake up in the morning and make my coffee, because if not, I'm really tired. But when I make my coffee, I know that's a smart choice because that gets me awake. Now tell me, boys and girls, what's a smart choice that you make at home? Yeah, perfect. And like when you make a big mess, what is the smart choice to make? Right, to clean it up. Very good, my friends. All right, and let's go ahead and count some syllables. Here we go. We're just gonna do a couple words. Ready? Smart. Let's do smart. Ready, go. Smart. One syllable. Very good. Say choices. Choices. Ready, go. Choices. How many? 2. Good job. All right. Now we make smart choices all throughout our day, and I know you're going to make some very good, thoughtful, and smart choices today.